So when people ask me what to do, I tell them I'm solar, and they're always like, "Oh, that must be great." And I'm like, "Yeah, it is. It's great, but it's competitive." I mean, I think one of our suppliers told us one time he had over 500 solar installers in San Diego. It sounds crazy, but I think it's true. And over the years, so many people have come and gone, and there's literally thousands of solar systems out there that are orphaned with the installing contractor no longer in business. So we started a service department maybe 5-6 years ago. We've always had a service department, but typically it used to just be for our stuff. Now we go out and we do work for other people too. There's so many things that go into service. It's everything from just the simple monitoring to new inverters, solar panels, roofing problems. People want to re-roof. Their contractor's gone. They call us. We pull it off. We set it aside. Sometimes we pull it to our warehouse. We work with the contractor to put it back on. You name it. If it has anything to do with electrical service or your solar system, we're happy to look at it. So if you're one of the thousands of homeowners in San Diego who had a system installed by a company that's no longer in business, give us a call if you need some help. We're happy to look at it. We can work on anything from inverter replacements, microinverter replacements, monitoring. If you need your system removed so you can have a roof leak fixed, we'd love to help you out. Give us a call anytime. We've got 5 service trucks on the road almost every day. We've been in business longer than anybody in this market. We've been in business since 1998, and we're here for the long haul. And give us a call. We'd like to show you what we can do.